Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my first Boxycharm unboxing of 2020. So if you guys want to see what I got and you want a little chance at winning some goodies, then just keep on watching. So we're going to play this video a little differently because I did sneak a peek at this box and I can't say I wasn't a little disappointed just because I like to hop on here and give you guys a try-on unboxing, and you guys will see why I can't really do that this month. So I'm going to share with you what I got in here, but I wanted to make this video a little special. So I have a big pile of products that I am going to put into a giveaway for you guys in today's video, as well as give away this entire Boxycharm. So let's get into it. I'm going to share with you guys what I got, and then we're going to discuss the giveaway prizes and the rules. So this month, the theme of Boxycharm is breaking the ice. We have the typical sheet in here with all of the products and their values and descriptions on it. So the first product in the box is a skincare product. This is an exfoliator. It's a cream exfoliator from Skin & Co. Roma. It's called their Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I think that's how you pronounce it. And obviously, because this is a cream exfoliator, I cannot demonstrate it for you guys right now. So this will be going to the giveaway winner. So next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. This retails for $55. Now, I love eye creams. I'm always trying different ones, but I do already have this in my collection. I haven't tried it yet, but I will add it to my list. I do like using retinol products. I feel like I'm 26. I'm kind of getting to the point where I need to lock in my skincare routine and really start preventing the signs of aging. Not that the signs of aging are a bad thing. And honestly, I'm the type of person, like, I will just go get Botox if it gets real bad, but it is important to take care of your skin. So I do like that this was in the box. Dr. Brandt is a really good skincare brand, but again, everything in here is going to the winner. So next up in the box, I actually don't know how to pronounce the brand. It's either Grande Cosmetics or Grand Cosmetics, but this is their Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. This retails for $25. Now, I am familiar with the brand because they do have a lash serum. I have been using Babe Lash personally, but they did send me their lash serum, and so I'm actually going to give you guys in the giveaway one of their lash serums if you want to try it out. I obviously have false lashes on today. This is the one product I could have tried for you guys, but I really wanted to do a TikTok with the Amrezy palette today, so I did like this cut crease pink eye look. It's over on my TikTok if you guys want to check it out, but I really just wanted to wear my lashes. Next up is another skincare product. This is from Avant Skincare. It's their 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. This retails for $107, which really ups the value of the box this month. I did get an Avant product in the Boxyluxe last month, and so I've been using that on my face because it has hyaluronic acid in it and it's really helping my dry skin. So I think this line is really good. I like it, but I personally would never repurchase anything because the prices are outrageous. And then last up in my Boxycharm is a highlighter from Too Faced. This is the Diamond Light Highlighter. It retails for $36. Mine is in the shade Diamond Fire, and I do already have this in my collection. So I'll put this back into the box for the giveaway winner, and I will show you my highlighter. So the packaging of these is what really sets them apart from other highlighters. I don't feel like they're the absolute best highlighter in the world, but I love the packaging. I could set this on my vanity all day and just stare at it. But I'll give you guys a swatch. So there it is swatched. You can see it's kind of icy and duochrome. It's got multiple kind of shades in there. This one, Diamond Fire, is very good for fair skin tones. I did self-tan, so I just don't feel like this one looks good on me right now. There you guys can see it swatched. But yeah, that's the last item out of the box this month. So that was the January Boxycharm. Now I am going to take the products out of here to give them to the giveaway winner because I have my address on the back of this box. But now I will share with you guys what I have set aside for today's giveaway. So first up, I have this little getaway kit from Sol de Janeiro with their Bum Bum Cream, their body wash, and Brazilian Crush body spray, some of my all-time favorite products in mini travel size. Next up, I have the lash serum from Grande Cosmetics, as well as a conditioning mascara mascara that I'm going to include in the giveaway. I have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. I'm throwing in one of my favorite products from Laura Mercier. This is their Baked Highlighter in the shade 01. It's really, really good for just a nice glow from within kind of thing. I like putting it under my eyes actually too. I'm putting in the Enchanted palette from Sigma, one of my favorite launches from last year. I'm throwing in an Artistry palette from Morphe. This is the 18A palette. I'm including two Norvina collections. These are the mini palettes with the eye primers. And I'm going to give you guys these PR boxes as well. I'm not going to open them because I want you guys to have them untouched. And last up, I'm throwing in the Disney and Frozen 2 Anna collection, the eyeshadow palette, lipstick, lip gloss, and glitter. So I'm going to leave the rules in the description box of this video. It is going to be an international giveaway because Boxycharm is not international. They do ship to Canada, but they don't ship to a bunch of other countries. So I will leave this open to everybody just in case the winner wants to experience Boxycharm and can't. Now, the only thing that complicates giveaways is that it's very hard to reach you guys if I'm just keeping it onto YouTube. So I do ask in the giveaway entry in the comments of this video that you guys include some means of contact. It can be Instagram or it can be an email address because it's easy enough to find you on Instagram and DM you or send you an email. If you don't do either of those things, then I cannot contact you because I have had so many problems in the past where I've commented on a giveaway winner and they never comment back to me on actual YouTube because notifications get lost on this platform. So I am excited to talk about the rules because I'm making an announcement in the rules of this giveaway. So the first rule is easy enough. I'm going to ask that you guys are subscribed to this channel here and you give this video a like. The second rule is my announcement, and I'm super nervous to make this announcement because I have been scared of this and I'm still scared of this, but I have started a vlog channel. So I'm going to leave the link to my vlog channel in the description box, and one of the rules is that you subscribe over there. Now I hope that you guys are interested in watching my vlogs and getting to know the behind the scenes of my life. I actually started filming my first weekly vlog today. It's been something that has been so highly requested of me because I'm so professional over here, so I'm really trying to let my guard down, and I wanted to just tell you guys because a lot of you watch me monthly for Boxycharm and I want you guys to know that I am trying to connect more with you. So I started a vlog channel, so please subscribe to my vlog channel. But the third and final rule is that you guys come back and leave a comment on this video. You can comment done if you followed all of the rules, and if you want to, let me know what you guys would like to see on my vlog channel if you are interested in it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Good luck if you are interested in the giveaway, and hopefully I will catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.